Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on the security. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see in device administration section at the very bottom of it, so on the second position, we've got clear storage, credential storage. So let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom, we've got remove all user certificates. So simply tap on it and your device will ask you again if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.